Okay, this is problem 2. Kind of got it so you can see most everything. These are the steps that we talked about earlier. These are the identities, and this is to establish the identity just like it did before. You generally start with a more complex side, which is the left side, and you want to change everything to sines and cosines. Well, cotangent is cosine over sine. Tangent is sine over cosine. So those have been changed, and then times that cosine. All right, what's going to happen next? You need to get a common denominator right here. What is a common denominator of sine and cosine? Sine, cosine. You take this first one and you multiply it by cosine over cosine. You want sine, cosine here. You're going to multiply by sine over sine. That's going to give you cosine squared plus sine squared. And cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. That's one of your Pythagoreans. Kind of reversed a little bit right there. 1 over sine. Okay, that's the cleaning up of that inside. Now, bring this cosine back in with it. All right, that cosine really would go on top, and then it would cancel down to 1 over sine. Well, 1 over sine is the same thing as cosecant. So now the left side is the same thing as the right. Now, how do they want you to plug it in my math lab? Well, this step, that's basically what I did. Cosine over sine, sine over cosine. Now it says simplify the expression. From the previous step, just simplify it. They want it as simple as you can go, but still in sines and cosines. So what you do is this is what they want in that blank. 1 over sine. 1 over sine times cosine. And then the cosines cancel and you get 1 over sine. From here, you go to the cosecant and you're using the reciprocal. These are the reciprocals. Hope that makes sense.